Hello, everyone. Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, hi, everyone. Yeah, I want to welcome everyone to today's TechCast series with the Northwest Oracle community. I hope you can hear me. So, my name is Taiwo Ajayi, and I'll be presenting Oracle AI Data Platform overview and case study use in property management. Okay. Yeah, please indicate if you can see my screen. I just want to confirm if anyone can see my screen. Hi, Peter. Can you see my screen? Okay. Yeah. So once again, I just want to thank everyone for attending this session. So briefly looking at the agenda that we have today, we talked about the Oracle AI Data Platform overview and the AIDP case study in property management. I would also be taking you through the property management solution overview and how to create AI data ready solution. Yeah. So just a brief introduction about myself. Like I said, my name is Taiwo Ajayi and I'm an Oracle BI and AIDP solutions architect. I have over 22 years of experience in enterprise data analytics and cloud solution. I used to work for Oracle and I've consulted for several organizations globally across several industries in which I've been able to transform analytics solution for both private sector and public sectors as well. So a few of my certifications are showed here, which has to also be the AIDP, likes of Oracle AI agent. So these are the things that I have above for my certification. So because of time, let's go straight into the solution. So, one of the focus area that we'll be looking at today is what I will bring out of AI World 2025. Oracle AI World 2025 brought out a lot of changes in the Oracle ecosystem. So, changes around technology, innovation, product updates, and product name changes as well. And today's test cast will be focusing on AI data platform as well. And I would just also use this opportunity to also um, let everyone know about the Oracle AI World that is coming up in October 2026. Please plan to attend. There are lots of things that Oracle will be doing as well. Thank you. So, what is AI data platform? So, now we'll be focusing on AI data platform scope and specialization. So, is a foundational platform that focuses on AI. While focusing on AI, it also unifies all types of enterprise data, both structured and unstructured data, batch data into an open, connected platform. So, which makes it to be AI ready as well. So, and if you look at the component is a combination of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, Autonomous AI Database, OCI Gen AI services as well. So these are the things. Then also AI data platform, the Lakehouse as well. These are the things that we have for the AI data platform. So in continuation, there are several use cases that has been done by Oracle around AI data platform. So you can also have access to environment and also integrate with tools like notebooks, Spark-based workflows, and a unified lakehouse, and also agent framework. So the focus is on data professionals and developers to be able to manage this life cycle as well, from ingestion into governance as well. So this would be able to help professionals to be able to model and develop agentic applications as well. So when you look at integration, it's also a foundation that enables AI across the entire Oracle ecosystem. Also, so again, we'll talk about some of it is the FDI, which is fusion application, which is being deployed across the AI agents as well. Yeah, I'll be moving. So if you have questions, please, you can type your question. So one of the key major game changer that Oracle AI data platform brings is the medallion architecture component, which comprises of the bronze layer, the silver layer, and the gold layer as well. So if you look at the bronze layer, so it brings in raw unprocessed data into the object storage for you to be able to analyze as well. So from the silver layer is also make sure that you can refine and also transform data with the several machine learning models. So the gold layer is what makes this data, whether in real time, bad data, unstructured and structured data, to be analytics ready, in which people can visualize, you can make better business decision as well. So it also helps to turn the business requirement into actionable insight as well. So what are the key platform elements? So one of the key platform element is the AI data platform workbench, which is an IDE for development. Like I mentioned earlier on, in which you can also use your notebooks as well, integrate with your notebooks, and although the Spark and also the things around orchestration as well. Again, another feature is on the unified catalog, which is a centralized governance for data and AI asset, which is very important. Data governance is very important when it comes to this, to be able to make sure that things are done properly as well, compliance, etc., etc. Then another thing is the autonomous AI database, which is query ready for data as well, in which you can also query, you analyze your data in real time as well. So these are the things that you have across the AI database. Object storage, in which has a scalable data lake foundation, in which you can also store things as well. Then the OCI generative AI, which you can also be able to integrate with several foundation LLMs like GTP, etc., etc. Then we have the Oracle Analytics Cloud, in which you can use to visualize, you can do reporting, a whole lot of things. Your workbooks, your dashboards, as well as self-service, have access to self-service, do several types of modeling across these as well. So I'll be moving to the next slide. So here we just have the architecture diagram. If you look at this diagram, from the application development to the AIDP, from the data sources, you can see how data can be moved from and also integrate with multiple sources, data from disparate sources, and also you can move data from any application, be it be social media, be it be your Internet of Things, your digital asset as well. And also if you have application, which is also from the Oracle apps as well, your cloud application as well. So you can move data into and also ingest this data as well. If you look at the other one, I'm not sure if you can see my cursor here, my mouse that is moving. You can also move data, also integrate, do integration. And also with it, you also have access to open source. You can integrate with open source and also third-party application as well. So if you look at the data platform engine, you can do things around processing of transactions, also have data lake as well, and also the data warehouse for current and historical analysis as well. Also, it's also with it, you can also manage several open source and big data services as well, with the machine learning and AI as well. So again, users will be able to have a new real-time analytics as well, to be able to visualize data information and make decision on the go as well. So these are the things that users will be able to do as well. Then again, another thing is you can also do your ML training on your latest data, your incremental data. Our data is coming in real time as well. You can also train on that. Yeah. So sorry, I think my mouse moved to the. So now we'll be moving into the AIDP case study in property management, and this is a very unique solution that we've been seen has been deployed as well. So, what led to this was several key challenges that was faced in this use case. Key operational pain points, which did not make the most of the users, organization, the industry as well to be able to do innovative things. They were held back by fragmented environment, manual system processes, and also operational drag. This also led to things around revenue leakage and also poor visibilities. User decision makers, stakeholders were not able to, they didn't have visibility. They were not able to make decisions on the fly as well. And there were a lot of revenue leakages. So, and one of the things that we realized here was that without an integrated data platform, organization, they struggle to convert operational data into actionable insight. So the key things that I will highlight here is one of the manual workflows. This was being done by paper-based verification. You need to fill in your information on the paper, and also things around manual property registration. If you need to register your property, this is being done manually, and also tenants that were being onboarded. It created bottlenecks and several errors at every step. So again, if you look at the limited visibility, inconsistent reporting across teams as well, like I mentioned earlier, fragmented data that made it impossible to get a real-time view of operations as well. Again, delayed approval that led to weeks, months, delayed approval. This was what caused really headaches that could not make the organization to be able to do things on the fly as well. Fragmented approval cycle and poor coordination that led to slow decision making and a very uncomfortable user experience for tenants as well. Then when we look at the poor payment, which has to do with one of the major things that um, the organization faced, and also the users as well, poor payment visibility. Things were being collected manually. The rent was being collected manually, which led to missed payment. Also led to things around reconciliation gaps and also financial and compliance risk as well. Now, what the vision that we set out in this case study was, what the things that we wanted we achieved was to build a centralized and intelligent platform that can also automate the platform, the full property lifecycle as well, from onboarding to reporting, while embedding AI capabilities directly into the application layer. So some of the things that were done was from the data, from the architecture perspective, the centralized property and tenant data model was to be built as well, to make sure there's a scalable architecture for future expansion, which I will talk about. That's what really we did to make the data AI ready for AI data platform as well. So to make sure that the integration was designed for payment and API. So to integrate with payment, several payment platform, and there's option for the user to be able to choose any payment, any preference from payment platform as well, to also to make sure that with the application, the architecture is scalable for you to be able to integrate with different APIs as well. So again, to make sure that you can also do things around end-to-end reporting, and also for the operation to have visibility, 360-degree view as well. Again, things that we also focus on around automation and intelligence, to make sure that all the manual workflows were automated as well, and also to digitalize the rent collection, and also when payments are being done, it's being tracked as well. And these payments that are being tracked is also AI enabled, so you don't need to sit down on your system and tracking. So models that were built in does that as well. So things around document digitization. So these are the things that you can also make sure that you can extract things from the document and also load it as well. So then again, another key thing is the intelligent search and workflow optimization as well. So when you look at the solution design as well, end to end, we have the user layer, which has to do with the admins, the agents, and the tenant as well. The workflow layer that captures the approvers and automation as well. The application layer was built on Oracle Apex as well, which has several modules, and also the AI service layer for document extraction, intelligent search as well. And the database was powered by the Oracle database AI 26 AI, and the integration layer was able to capture like things like integration, API, SMS gateway as well. So these are the things that were done. Yeah. Then if you look at the core capabilities, like I mentioned earlier on, from onboarding to reporting as well. So this is a full solution life cycle from onboarding, which I called onboarding to insight. So what was done that the platform automated complete property management workflow to make sure that there's unification, connected processes to also eliminate handoffs rather, to also make sure that there's reduction in delays as well, to make sure that also the data is consistent as every stage, like I mentioned, from onboarding to verification when tenants are being verified, approval process, rent collection to reporting. Everything here has been automated. And again, because of the UI that we also implemented it on, which is the Oracle Apex as well. So is a rapid Oracle Apex delivered rapid application framework for users, in which you can deploy things within weeks instead of months as well. So one of the things that I want to focus here is very innovative things that was done with this, I call the snippet of the front end application design. So let's say, for instance, this is a user. The user can see everything that you own, your property that you own. So your dashboard, which shows the total amount of lands that you own, the total amounts of payment that you have that is outstanding, what are the things that you have fully paid for, invoices that are due, payments completed. So when you log into your dashboard, you see this, and this gives you visibility that, oh, I have 3 properties, and these 3 properties, these are the outstanding balances that I have here. So please just ignore the figure. I know you're seeing like $12 million here. So, but this just we have to, because of sensitivity of the data. So that's why this was there. So one key thing here is that you can see all your properties on a dashboard. You can compare, you can see the size of your dashboard. You can see whether you are you are the owner of the land, whether you are a debtor, whether you are things that you need to do. So those are the visibility in which you can see the land size, the size of your property as well. Then if you look at under the picture of Donald that I have here, you have your tabs that shows your payments, notification, and setting here as well. Also, if you want to acquire new land on this tab, I'm not sure if you can see it, you can also see the types of properties or landed properties that you have as well. So here, what are the lessons learned? Because these are the key things that we've learned over time. What worked well, what are the pitfalls that we needed to avoid. So some of the things that worked well was that to make sure, which I would also advise when we have developers or we have clients that want to deploy similar solution. So it's to make sure that the data model is designed first before pages and workflows, and also to make sure that Apex modules is being kept coupled and reusable. You can also reuse it as well. The Oracle or the database AI 26 AI to be used as a data intelligence layer, not just the storage as well. You start your AI with practical use cases like extraction, search, classification, and also even charting as well. So make sure that what you build can be audited as well, audited, and also to make sure that exception handling can be addressed from day one. So when you have issues, it can be addressed as well. So to make sure that all approvals are standardized as well. So, and you make sure that you apply business rules early. So if you look at the pitfalls, some of the things that we've learned for, so when you automate a manual process without redesigning first, so it's a pitfall. So these are the things that I would advise users or developers or people that are doing this kind of solution, or they want to embark on this kind of journey. You need to make sure that you do not you automate manual process. You understand? You look at the bad manual process, you address it first. You understand? Then again, when you use a weak document, it doesn't extract the data very well. So you must make sure that any document that is being uploaded as is not a weak document, and also the data quality as well is good, so it doesn't undermine the AI extraction accuracy. So again, you don't need to oversimplify your workflow as well. Don't complicate it before validating core processes as well. Again, you must make sure that uh, the your security should be designed properly. So because of compliance risk, because of people that are breaching, and one good thing is that Oracle environment is highly secure. So at each level, you have different kinds of security at whether row level, but object level. So there are so many things. You can also mask your data when it comes to sensitive PII informations as well. Then again, make sure that you build a point solution instead of reusable and extensible platform. Yeah. Excuse me. So what are the business and the value delivered? Faster onboarding. I won't go too much into details. So make sure that some of the value that was delivered is fast onboarding. The more users you are able to onboard, the more revenue, the more customer base that you have. So that really was a game changer. Then revenue controls to make sure that the rent collection was digitized, and the solution was able to track and also to improve visibility and also reduce collection leakages. Another thing here is the data consistency. The centralized data model eliminated inconsistency and also provided a single source of truth across all platform, across users, across teams as well. So again, the stakeholders were able to have visibility, which I put it as operational visibility. So like having access to real-time dashboards, was able to do audit trial that gave leadership complete transparency into operations. Again, scalable platform architecture supported expansion to additional properties and the future AI capability, which was one of the key things that we made the solution AI ready as well. So key takeaways: rapid deployment, like I mentioned, native AI changes that was also done as AI was embedded directly in the Oracle database, AI database, that eliminated the complexity of external AI services as well. And also the centralized architecture eliminated data that are in silos. So we brought in, deploy it like a unified data platform that it reduced the integration overhead, it improved data quality, and also enabled consistent reporting across all entities as well. So I'll be moving to the next slide. So now, one key thing that we've done here is that we've made the data AI ready. Now, this was done with a single customer, and now we are moving to multiple customers. So one of the key things that was done here is to make sure that with the strength of AI data platform, we can scale from one customer to several customers at national level as well, to make sure that when the data is AI ready, you can move to that AI data platform. So again, the second thing here is that it brings a unified environment that brings together trusted data for silo decision making as well, and to make sure that you will be able to embed AI into key workflows as well. Then again, also able to also make sure that it helps to understand the business models, the policy, and also adapt to conditions as they change without creating any compliance risk as well. So, like I mentioned earlier on, we're scaling to a national adoption. So, which Oracle AI DP provides that foundation. So, having proven what was done initially, the next stage is which will be is powered by AI data platform, is to move from one organization to 36 organization, expand from one live customer to deployment to 36, which is ongoing at the moment, and also the AI data platform is being made. So let me go back. So to make sure that your data is trusted and also AI ready as well. As well. So the last one here is to make sure that with AI data platform, your AI is ready. That is where the work happens as well. So it drives adoption and also measurable value. So one of the key things here that I mentioned, this is a use case here that I just want to probably emphasize on. So with this solution now, you can also have what is called property comparison dashboard. So you can compare your property, you can see the value of your property, you can see the size, you can even see the location, you can see the like a layer, a map layer. You can also see if it matches, you can say, oh, this is a family home where we can live. So on this dashboard, you can see several kind of houses, whether it's a townhouse, you understand, whether it's a condo. You can also have different kinds of, how will I put, cross-functional analysis. You can analyze 3 properties, 4 properties on the go, instead of you analyzing just one property, then you click, you move to another property. So this gives you visibility to be able to log in into that environment, see the listing, and also compare properties on the fly. So that is one of the key things that the AI data platform is able to also to make us to achieve as well. So you see your size and location, the road access, valuation band in which you can see what is the valuation of this property, and also historical transaction as well. So document intelligence as well. If you see this, you also be able to now, when it comes to compliance, when it comes to statutory documents, this has also simplified that aspect as well. So part of what will be done is to make sure that you are able to manage your properties lifecycle documentation. So you can also store them as JSON document. You can also search for them as well, in which the data is being automatically extracted as well. So your legal document, like your title deeds, lease agreement as well, the survey plans, your media asset as well, and also your financial record here can also be done here. So again, phase 1, I've mentioned it has been completed. Phase 2 is in progress, ongoing. So phase 2 is just to make sure that AI-enabled national property ecosystem with features around your semantic search, document intelligence, multi-tenant architecture, and 36 organizations sitting on Oracle AI data platform. So the future is to make sure that the Oracle AI services is being deployed across our customers for long-term digital transformation. Okay, so now before this, the second to the last slide. So these are my details here. So if you want to discuss on how Oracle AI data platform can power your solution as well, and any other industry ecosystem, so you can reach me here as well. Then, yeah, now I just want to go back to the Northwest Oracle user community. First of all, I want to appreciate the community for giving me the opportunity to be able to present the AI data platform use case in property data management. And I just also want to say I'm part of the team as well. And if you want to submit your webcast session like I did, you can submit on this form, use the URL that is being displayed here. And also you can also visit the Northwest Oracle community website by going to the website www.northwestoc.org as well. Then also, if you want to join the community via LinkedIn. This is a LinkedIn, and I'm sure you would also see that on the URL on the website. You can also follow the Northwest Oracle community on X as well. Then if you also want to, the X account is here, Northwest Oracle. Then if you also want to send a quick email, you can also send to info@northwestoc.org. I will leave room for any questions. Thank you. Okay. If you have questions, and I'll just wait like 10 more seconds. If there are no questions, like I said, you can send email to info@northwestoc.org if you have questions regarding this presentation. Once again, I want to thank everyone that have attended this presentation. Thank you. And we hope to see you next time. There are a couple of presentations that are upcoming in the future. So we hope to see you, I think, September or so. Thank you, everyone.